Hello, and welcome to another short, not a lesson by the way. There is this saying that says, Muthi ndoimbĩkaga irigũ. Muthi ndoimbĩkaga irigũ. Ndoimbĩkaga. Muthi ndoimbĩkaga irigũ. Muthi is a traveler. Ndoimbĩkaga. Kumbĩka is to cover in something, okay? Kumbĩka. Ubĩka. Kumbĩka. Okay? Irigo is matokeo unlike banana, right? So Muthi, a traveler, does not. Kubeka actually, this is how the Kikuyu used to do to unlike bananas. They could roast them in a special way, whereby the banana is peeled. Then after being peeled, it would be kubeko. Oh, sorry. Yes, it would be covered in that hot ashes. Okay, could be placed there down, and maybe then the cooking will continue as usual. So, or even after cooking, they could put them there, and this is how you are raised. Our mother could put those bananas there. They were actually, banana is rich in some special nutrients, like the calcium and the rest that are required for a growing baby, okay? So what mothers could do, they could kubeka that irigo. Then after kubeka, they could chew it, okay? After chewing, they did not swallow it. They could remove those spit that and feed it to the baby. And so that's how mothers grew very strong and energetic men like me. Yes, with strong bones. Because they could feed their children those tanuku or marigos, okay? Those chewed, roasted matoke, okay? So Muthi is a traveler. This is a saying or a proverb. Muthi is a traveler. A traveler could not have left having kubeka irigo in the Rico. Good? Because if it overstayed there, it could turn into charcoal. It could overburn, okay? Yeah, so instead of roasting, ikeshomeka iugwe kabisa. Are we together? So Muthi ndoimbĩkaga irigũ, okay? I don't know about the saying. You can tell me, what do you think the saying means? What do you think the saying means? Muthi ndoimbĩkaga irigũ. And because of that, let's talk about irigo. Irigo. So, a banana, you find a banana looks like this. These are the bananas, these are the bananas, these are the bananas. That is a bunch, this is another bunch here. That's another bunch there. Okay? And then another bunch there, another bunch there. We are trying to draw a banana. Yes. Okay. That's another bunch. That's another bunch there, another bunch there, another bunch of banana there, and then we could have some extension there of the remaining part of the flower. Okay. This is our banana, and then this comes there to stop. And then you have the big leaves, right? You have the big and some small leaves here, like small like that. If you get another small leaf there, okay. Then you have the rest of the ones. There, the banana leaves are always very big. You have another big leaf there, okay. And you have the banana tree like that. Mm. Okay, then you get some little bananas sprouting here. You bring a mashara there. Okay, okay. Let's just have one. So this is the banana tree. Okay, this is our banana tree. Are you together? Leaves, you can add them to be as many as possible, just as they are always. Okay, you can have so many leaves there, and you can have the old shad one there, the old shad leaves hanging like that. Okay, okay. So this is the banana. So this part, this remaining part of the flower, is called kiogoro. Kiogoro. Other people you call it mukoro. Mukoro. Other people you call it mukoro. Good. Mukoro. And mostly we used this to as a lead for the 20-liter water jerrycan. This is what you cut and you use as a lead. Okay? Yeah, if you have roasted. So the bunch of banana, the bunch, each bunch is called moaho. Moaho. Moaho wa marigo. Moaho is a bunch. Okay? Moaho wa marigo. And then we have the leaves. The leaves are called mashoya. Mashoya. Are you together? Mashoya. Mashoya. If it is one, it is ishoya. Right? Ishoya. And then we have the tree, the banana tree itself. The banana tree is called muraba. Muraba. Okay? Muraba. Are you together? Yes. Then we have the shad mashoya, the shad banana leaves. They are called magayo. 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 When they are many, when it is one, it is reagayo. Magayo. Yeah, magayo. Okay? And we have also the part of the stem. Also, it has those drying part of the stem. I want you to tell me what they are called. Okay? Go and ask what they are called. That is your assignment. Those shard ones. And do you know what they were used for? They were used for packaging tobacco. Okay? Packaging tobacco, which would sometimes be called manada and such. Okay? Yeah, it was used for packaging tobacco. Even today, I think it is still somehow being packaged using it. And then the dried part, some part of the stem could be used for carrying things, for tying like ropes. Okay? Then we have down here, we have roots. Roots in Kikuyu is Mary, 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 Mary. And then we have this stem, the hard part of the banana that hold all the banana trees. You can call that Keja, Keja. Keja, when they are many, it will be Sieja, Keja, Sieja. You can also, in the comment section, you can give me the other name that you have for Keja. Then we have the small one that is sprouting. We used to call it Mori, Mori, okay? Mori. Maybe some modern people would also call it Bunaingo, but used to call it Mori, Mori, Mori. Are you together? What else do you want to learn from this banana tree? What else do you want to learn? I've reviewed for you. You have learned Miaho, Marigo, bananas, okay? Marigo meve, unlike bananas. Marigo meru, like bananas. Are you together? Are we together? So, you can go and add other parts of the banana tree that I have not stated today. And with that, kindly continue commenting, continue sharing, and continue learning with Teacher Martin. Okay, all the best in these classes. If you have any question, you can contact me, and the contacts are down there. If you want to support me, you can support me using the details shared on this channel so that you can continue learning Kikuyu together. So may God bless you so much, and all the best. Kindly make sure that you have subscribed, that you continue sharing this content so that our language may not go extinct in this generation whereby we stay in town, and our kids, most of the time they only know how to speak Swahili and English, and when they go to Shao, they still continue speaking that. It's very important for us to ensure that we be good custodians of our beautiful Kikuyu language, okay? Yes, so that we don't lose vocabulary, but we continue learning, so that even our children will continue speaking good Kikuyu and continue knowing that they have an identity. Kwa sababu Mwashamila ni mtumwa. Or do you want to raise slaves? No, I don't want to raise a slave. So let's learn Kikuyu together. Even if you are an adult, don't fear asking questions. You can always contact me on premium classes or support me in any way. I'm trying my best to post as many content as possible, so to ensure that you continue learning even without pay. But if you can support me, there is so many ways of supporting me. You can contact me, you can use the number there, you can do anything that you feel that will make me be motivated in continuing to create this content. So may God bless you. Till next time, bye bye. I'm Teacher Martin.